Hi everyone, Coach Christina here from Balanced and Blessed. I'm prepping, getting everything ready for our salad before I go get Bella from school and hang out at the park until she has piano class. And so I only have a few minutes. I already chopped up the things I need to chop up. I only have to chop up 3 different things. A green bell pepper, the Roma tomatoes, and salami. So that's exciting. But anyway, one of my hacks as a busy mom is to grab these from the grocery store. Like Italian lettuce. Any kind will do, honestly. Kind I got. That way all I'm doing, that will work. Do I have scissors? Of course not. Alright. I think my scissors are in the other room. I'm just opening up this bag and I'm dumping it into my bowl. This is honestly one of the quickest, easiest recipes, and it's a family favorite. Very healthy. And then I've already chopped up my green bell pepper, tossing that in. Tossing in my tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. I'm tossing in my salami. I used to get them in nuggets, and the grocery store hasn't carried them in a while. So I just cut them into 4s. And then another hack, get the mini pepperonis instead of the regular ones so you don't have to chop those. That way all I got to do is open it up and dump it in. And I'm looking out for that little packet to throw away. And then all I have to do is make the salad dressing. If you come on live, say hi and where you're from. If you're watching a replay, hashtag replay. Let me reopen my iPad so I can remember how much to do. I will link the recipe in the comments when I get done, if I have time before I pick her up. If not, I'll do it when I get a chance. So the dressing is a really simple dressing. It's a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Oops. A little too much. And then I'm adding a little bit of red wine vinegar. Well, first I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese because it's the same amount. 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Now this recipe calls for provolone, but what I've discovered is I don't need it, and high Lynette, and so I don't like cutting up provolone. It drives me crazy. The less amount of things that I have to chop up, the better, in my opinion. Then I'm adding some red wine vinegar. My family even likes this as leftovers the next day, believe it or not. Towel. Okay. And then I'm going to add Italian seasoning. Mineral salt and black pepper. How are you doing, Lynette? And then I'm just going to take my whisk and whisk up this dressing that I made for the Italian salad. You can keep it separate, but we just mix it in anyway. And I add black olives to mine if I remember to. My family doesn't like black olives. I'm probably the only one that likes it. You could probably add feta cheese as well, which I might do. And I just take the tongs and mix around the salad so it coats. And mixes things up. Also makes a great snack too for an S. Full of veggies, full of protein. My family loves it. So I always love easy, quick recipes that my family will eat. And there you have it, Italian chopped salad, ready to go in the fridge to be ready when it's time for dinner. Hope everyone has a great day, and I will talk to you later. All right, bye.